Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Mitski here in this channel, and that is the first time, with this very cool song title called Working for the Knife. So yeah, very cool song and strange also. Yeah, let's start with this one and a capo on the 4th fret, and we have 8 different chords to go through here. So let's start with the E minor. So that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next will be A. So open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Third chord will be D. So open D, second G, third B, and second E. G, so third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then we have F sharp. So you bar all strings here on the 2nd fret, and the rest will be 4th on A string, 4th on D string, and 3rd on the G string. Then we have F, so you move what you have here on the F sharp, 1 fret up here. And everything else is the same. So you bar all strings on the 1st fret this time, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Then we have this little bit strange chord here called C sus4, like this. So that is 3rd on A, 3rd on D, open G, 1st B, and 1st E. And what you do there, you probably would bar the 1st fret there, the B and E string. And if you do that, you don't have to grab the chord like this and have this impossible stretch in your hand. So if you bar this one, that will make your life that much easier. And the final chord will be the C chord. So 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So there's your 8 chord, guys. And we need to look at the strumming pattern here first to be able to start this song. And it will be divided into 2 parts. And we can illustrate that one with the E minor, since that is the 1st chord. So the strumming will sound like this first, and then I'm going to explain how it's played. So let's go. Yeah, so down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So we're gonna take the first part, down, 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 up. So down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Alright, and the next part will be up, down, 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 up. So up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. So now we connect these 2 parts. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. Yeah, and there's a reason for why we divide this into 2 parts, not only for instructional purposes, because we're gonna just use the first part of this strumming for some chords there, and we will come to that pretty soon. But first, let's start with the verse there. You're gonna play 1 full strumming round for E minor, A, and D to begin with. So E minor, then A, then D. And then after that comes the G and the F sharp. And for both these chords, you're gonna just play the first part. So the down, 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 up for each chord. So I need to switch there, G to the F sharp. and then it continues with the C sus4, 1 full round, C, 1 full round, and back again to C sus4, 1 full round, and finally C, 1 full round. So C sus4 and C 2 times, 1 full round for each chord. Yeah, beautiful sound there in my opinion between the C sus4 and C there. But yeah, so that makes the first verse. So just to repeat this one, 1 full of E minor, 1 full of A, 1 full of D. Then the first part for the G and the F sharp, and then 1 full of C sus4, 1 full of C, 1 full of C sus4, and 1 full of C. Okay, so that is the first verse. The second verse is pretty much the same, except from the ending there. So instead of playing the C sus4 and C 2 times, it just played once. So it just ends with C sus4 and C. Otherwise, it's the same. Then we are at this part, what I believe is the chorus there. And in the lyrics, I always knew the world moves on. So that's where we are. It starts off with the F sharp, 1 full strumming round, then G, 1 full strumming round, then F sharp, 1 full strumming round, and then the G and the F sharp, but this time just the first part of the strumming. So let's go. It's just alternating the F sharp and G. Let's start with F sharp, full, and G, and full, F sharp full again, then G and F sharp part 1. Yeah, and then we go on here. We are in the middle of this chorus. We're gonna play 1 full of E minor, 1 full of C, 1 full of F sharp, and you end with this G and F sharp, just the part 1. So let's go from the E minor. 1 full of E minor, 1 full of C, 1 full of F sharp, and then the G and F sharp part 1. And that makes the chorus. So just to repeat, 1 full of F sharp, full of G, full of F sharp, then the G and F sharp part 1 for each chord. Then full of E minor, full C, full F sharp, and then G and F sharp, and then just part 1. So that is the chorus. Then after this comes an instrumental part, and you will play 1 full strumming for the following chords: E minor, then A, then D, then G, then C, and F finally. And then starts the third verse. This third verse will be the same as the second verse. And remember, there was a difference there between the first and second verse. So the second verse has only in the end 1 time of the C sus4 and C. And that is the case with this third verse again. Only 1 time of the C sus4 and C. And then it ends with the final chorus there. Or actually we have this outro part as well, but this is the final chorus there. And it will be almost the same as the first chorus, except for 1 chord almost in the end, because in the first chorus we had this F sharp right before this G and F sharp part 1 only. But for this time we have it replaced with a D chord instead. But just to be very clear about this one, we will go through the chords pretty fast here. I will play during time I explain, so I will stop and show you exactly where I mean. So let's go with this second chorus there, starting with the F sharp full, then G full, then back to F sharp full, then G and F sharp part 1, then E minor full, then C full. And here in the lyrics, that I'm dying, that's where you, instead of the F sharp, play 1 full of D, and then you end with the part 1 of G and F sharp. So from the D. And there is just one outro part. You play one full strumming for following chords: E minor, C, D, and G. C, D, G. Yes. Mitski, working for the knife, or working for you. That's what I think about this channel. I do this for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. And if it's helpful, then it's golden for me. So yeah, if you like this one, just like it, show that on this channel, and subscribe. Even better if you haven't. I mean, what are you waiting for? Just do it. It takes a second, and you will get a great mix of new songs and also some goodies. And don't forget about this Wish Wednesday. It's a possibility for you to yeah, wish a song for me to bring up on this channel. So see you soon, guys, and don't forget, play tuned.